Hey, what's going on again, everybody? John here with North Texas Ceramic Coatings and Detailing, and part 3 of this iron remover wheel cleaner series. We are going to be using the DIY iron remover. Now, this isn't necessarily a wheel cleaner per se, but it's been my experience that I like to use iron removers or iron removing wheel cleaners. That's just my preference. They're stronger, remove more brake dust, and just like the other two wheels, we're going to spray this down. Maybe the sprayer works. Hang on, folks. We have a little snafu. I don't think the sprayer works. Hang on. Okay, we're back with a different sprayer. And like the other wheels, we're going to spray it down. Give it a 2-minute dwell time, rinse, spray again, and then do our contact wash. We're looking for how much iron and brake dust it removes by the amount of color that you'll see landing on the ground. And let's get that timer started. Set a timer for 2 minutes.
2 minutes, counting down.
And like the other videos, I will speed this up. And we're back. Let's rinse. There's a little puddle of red there, but not a lot. Did a fairly decent job without a contact wash. I'm really impressed. Not bad. Not bad at all. So let's spray the wheel again. This time we're going to do our contact wash. We'll spray the barrel this time too. And some of you might be asking why these wheels aren't on the vehicle. Well, the customer wants to sell them. And I thought this would be a great video to test all these wheel cleaners on because the wheels were loose. And clean them up for the customer so they can sell them better. Because nobody wants to look at dirty wheels when you're trying to sell them. It can't be dirty. They don't have to be immaculate either, but at least something. Very impressive. What do you folks think? It did a really stellar job on that wheel. And if you all were using a wheel cleaner and you love using it, you don't have any issues with it, by all means. I'm not saying to go out and buy any of these. It's not a sponsored video. Just thought this would be a fun little four-way test. Once again, my name is John. We are North Texas Ceramic Coatings and Detailing of DFW. This is part 3 in this video series on iron removing wheel cleaners. Please leave us our thoughts. Please leave your thoughts, comments, suggestions. Give the video a thumbs up. Give it a thumbs down. Do whatever it is. This helps us with the algorithm. Have a great week, everybody. We will see you in the next video.